Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 20, C is 25 and D is 50. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precision, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if we are going left to right and it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So we have here two type of bracket. One is rounded bracket and other one is curly bracket. So now we have to solve first the inner bracket, which is 6 minus 6 and minus 6. So we will solve this one. So inside the bracket, we have 20 minus 40 divided by 8, and inside the bracket 6 minus 1 equals to, like this one we will solve first, so it becomes 6 minus 1 equals to 5, and minus 6 we will write here as it is. And here we will write like curly bracket minus 27, and here 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Now move forward. Step number 1 we will solve again because we have here bracket which is 5 minus 6. We will write like 20 minus 40 divided by curly bracket 8, and 5 minus 6 equals to minus 1 and curly bracket minus 25. And here we have to give the reference 5 minus 6 equals to minus 1. Because minus 5, because we have the minus sign with the larger number, that's why we will write like minus 1. Now it says we have solved the inside bracket. Now we have to solve this bracket which is curly bracket. So now we will multiply these two terms. Okay, how I can say like this is multiplication? This is becomes the implied multiplication because 8 multiplying with the bracket. So we will write 20 minus 40 divided by 8 minus 1 becomes minus 8, and minus 25 here we will write here as it is, and we will give the reference like minus 8 multiplied by minus 1, it becomes minus 8. Now move forward, we have solved the bracket. Now we have to solve the exponent part in this expression. So in this expression, we do not have any exponent part. So we can skip this one. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have here this division, which is 40 divided by. So we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So first we have 20 minus, okay, 40 divided by minus 8, it becomes 5, but not 5 because we have the minus sign with the 8, so it becomes the minus 5, and then minus 25. And here we have to give the reference like 40 divided by minus 5 becomes, sorry, 8 is 8. It becomes minus 5. Now we have solved this term. Now we have to go for addition and subtraction. So because we have here addition, we have solved the all division and multiplication. Now we have to solve the addition and subtraction. So now we have here one bracket which is minus 5 and outside we have the minus. So we will basically solve this one. So how we can solve like this one, like 20 minus minus plus 5 minus 25. And if you know that, like if we have the minus sign and we have multiplying like minus, so it becomes like a like minus 1 1. Why 1? Because minus minus plus and 1 the 1, so it becomes 1. So now like this way we have the minus 1 outside and we have another minus 5, so it becomes 5 plus 5. So now we have to solve the, again, we will go left to right. Now we can solve the addition and subtraction. So we have the here 20 plus 5, it becomes like 25 and minus 25. So when we will minus both of them, when we will minus both of, like here we have to give the reference, like 20 plus 5 equals to 25. Now we have two terms which are similar but opposite in sign. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 0. So the answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of courses from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.